How you doing? Ralfy of Ralfy Customs. I'm not at Ralfy Customs. I'm reclining on the settee in cottage. Quick one. Did a little bit of work on our Ben's Breakout. If you follow me on socials, you'll have seen the front LED and Kuriakin controls that I fitted. The blades, like front brake lever and clutch lever. I've just had chance, because we've been waiting for parts from Germany, to fit his rear indicators and his blacked out struts and centre console. So here's a quick video. You can see what you think of them. I fucking like them. I can't deny it. I like them. If you're watching, Ben, good choice. See you later. So these indicators are abso-fucking-lutely delicious. When Ben first ordered them, I saw the pictures and they look big, and I'm like, fuck, you know what you doing, man? But now they've come, they're fucking tiny. Look. They're going to suit his Breakout, no end. I've powder coated his fender struts, black, obviously, and powder coated this cover, black. So what I'm doing today is wiring up these fucking lights and fitting the fender struts. I've already done one. There's the extended wires leading out, because the wires they give you aren't long enough. They don't come all the way through to join up with the existing, and you need them through before you fit it, because you're not going to do it without fucking about a lot, like taking the wheel out and shit, if you try and do it after. So basically you need the struts on the guard and the wires poking out. I'll get these joined up. What they send is these natty heat shrink connectors, and basically they're full of glue, and you got a little metal there. I thought that might melt. I thought that might be a low melting point, something or another, but I'm not sure it is. But anyway, you push a wire in each end, heat them up, they'll go soft and gluey and gooey, and bond the two wires together, cools down, and the job's a good one. Unfortunately, again, the wires are too short, so they end up sat in the strut, these joins, staggered along here. Or you could fit them in there if you want. I'm aiming for just in there. Don't really make any difference. But I'll join them all up using those natty fucking connectors, which I'll show you. I'll show you one done. I can't show you one in action because I need two hands. And then we'll bind it up with the old loom tape, poke it out at the top, put it on the guard, put the guard on the bike, get them wired up, sorted. So look, try and get it in frame, in focus. Look, they've shrunk on there, look, and upon closer inspection, there is like a solder between the wires, so it makes electrical connection, and heat shrinks, and it's full of glue, they're glued, so that's lovely. We'll get the rest of them on and get it taped up and tucked up. We've done all the connections. We've covered it in loom tape. We've not tacked it down, but you know what I mean. We've taped it down, look, with this cloth tape. Lovely jubbly. Job's a good one. Poking out ready. We'll get that on the fender to match its mate, and then off onto the bike. And there they are done. All wired up and lovely. Seat on, everything sealed up, soldered, shrink wrapped, done. Let's turn the hazards off. If I fucking can, how the fuck? There we go, turn them off. So, the backlight indicator, brake light. I can't really show you the brake light because I can't reach the camera and press the brake at the same time. But they're in. Together with a blacked out fender struts and the blacked out centre console cover. Job's a good one. There you go.